what I was wanting to talk to you about today is actually the latest update, which is 2021.1, we'll call it. If you're using the software, you'll notice that there's a build 5.1.25. Now, you're probably going to ask us, what does that mean? Well, it's actually the 5th generation release from the first introduction of ProtaStructure back in 2015. So this is the 5th major release of the platform, and the subsequent numbers mean the build, the revision. So instead of service packs, we're now using, say, 0.1 as a dedicator. So it really is 2021.1, and then 25 is the build, is the latest production build. Okay. Now, if you are using the software just to get yourself up to date with the latest version, please, from the start page, you'll notice that there's some notifications here, and you can see it will prompt you to update your system, and you can just click on the button. It will download the update and automatically update your platform to the latest build. Okay, so it's all seamless, it's all automated, and you can get up and running. So you can do that from the start notifications, or if you own the platform, you can also check for updates. And if you just go to help and check updates, it will then check if you're using the latest build. If you're not, it will then prompt you to download and update your system, and that happens in a seamless way. There's also a separate update to ProtaSteel 2021. You can download this separately if you wish. You can also download through that link a complete fresh installation if you wish to start from scratch. Okay, so if you're an existing user, that's the way we get up and running. Now, existing users may also be interested to know that there is a beta channel. And what do we mean by the beta channel? Well, you can access more up-to-date builds through this channel. So within the ProtaStructure environment under the settings, you can choose to receive advanced betas. And these are where we push out updates that perhaps we have not completed testing on, but may include new features or functionality that you may feel are useful to you. So at the moment, 5.1.25 is the latest production build, and 5.1.46 is the latest beta we are testing. And we will periodically update the production builds and the betas. Now, the beta can be useful, particularly if there's been an update that's important to you that you need to help with your project. Support may direct you to this area, and that may solve any issues that you are facing. But do note that these are not finally tested versions, but do allow us to deploy specific fixes when we can. Now, you can roll back to an earlier release. You just uninstall and you can reinstall the software, and you'll be back to the latest production build. Okay, so that's just some background on for existing users and into getting up and running.